What you know about living on the top? Penthouse suites, looking down on the op. Took her for a test drive, left him on the lot. Time is money, so I spend it on a watch. Hold on, little titty showing through the white tee. You can see the thong busting on my tight jeans. Okay, rocks on my fingers like a nigga wife me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel, in case you're new here. So guys, I'm starting this vlog here, and as you guys have seen, I was buying some filter items from Carrefour yesterday. So those are the items I wish to unblock to unbox right now. Today I'm taking a breakfast in my office since I want to do a few items here. There are items I want to write down, and am I the only one who keeps diaries? Because I think I am like this kind of person that cannot even stay without a diary. If I don't have not a diary or a notebook, whichever, if I don't have a notebook, nasikianga it's like I'm missing something in my life. In life you have to move from point A to point B, and when you get to point B you must go back and check, oh my god, this is where I was and this is where I am. So guys, let me take my breakfast and then I'm gonna catch up with you guys. For all those people who ask milk wapi when I'm vlogging, I'm a milk wapi hapa kwa office, I'm just gonna show you this today. Milk still imagine. Yeah, this is what I sit on. And for all those guys who are asking, the office, this is just isn't in bowl to zimekwa. This is not like a table, and these are just shelves that is zilipigiliwa hapo. They're not a table. I know this is my office for now, but you know, one day I'm gonna have like a proper office, a proper desk, a proper chair. But for now I can work with this. But yeah, I'm looking forward to like doing something different with my office and maybe getting some really nice stuff for it. But for now, this is what I have, and this is what I can get for now. There's nothing to hide. There's no shame. There's no shame in that. All you need to do is just be real with yourself and just know that maybe I want to get a good seat, so I need to save up for it. So let me not talk a lot. Let me show you guys what I got. Let me put you guys down. Kushiba. These are the items that I got from Carrefour yesterday, and if you've watched my previous vlog, I actually bought a lot of other items from there. But for yesterday I went there to buy other items. I bought party cups for my daughter's birthday party. You know guys, me Aki, I don't want to like do a birthday and then start washing utensils after people leave. I want us to use like plastic cups, plastic plates, everything that we're going to trash. The only thing that's going to be washed in my house, I think it's going to be sufurias or something. But this is what I got for people so that they can take juices from there. I'm still gonna add more, even though it's actually enough. I also bought Indomie 5-pack from Carrefour. This is actually so affordable. I think I bought it at 131 ilikuwa na offer. So guys, go to Carrefour and get yourself Indomie. It's on a lot of offers. Also this one I bought it at 60 shillings pale Carrefour. I needed a lot of items, and also I have I bought Toss. Is it the gentle detergent? Yeah, I needed a detergent from, I think I'm starting to like feel Toss for now because it feels like it's doing a lot. So I've also bought Zesta. This is something that I actually swear I would never buy this in my house, but imagine I'm the only one who's missing this one. We have peanut butter, we have Blue Band, but I feel like peanut butter imeanza kunibo, so that is what I'm going with. I also bought chili sauce. This is something that you cannot live with. Basically, this house cannot run without chili sauce. If this one is not here, of course I'm not here. I'm in the supermarket buying it. I also bought toothpicks. These are earbuds. from there, and I also bought these velvet pocket tissues from there. These are so cheap. What is wrong with me today? These are so cheap. Please don't go without pocket tissues in your handbag, because this is only 30 bob. Imagine, I bought this for 150 and I bought this for 152 from Carrefour. So go get yourselves all these things from there. I think the only thing that's not here is the cake that I was eating, which it is what we are eating for breakfast today. And this is my receipt from the place. And how much did I spend? I spent because I also bought biscuits and all those things. I spent 1,000 where is it, 1,365. That is what I spent there yesterday, and actually bought whatever I needed
Later.
Hey guys, so we ordered pizza for lunch with the kids. So this is what we're taking for lunch today, and yeah, we're pretty excited about it. And we decided to take advantage of the Terrific Tuesday, so it was 2 in 1 for just one price. So that is really a good deal.
The next day.
Am I the only one who uses soap to wash my utensils? Guys, me, I'm telling you, I never buy any soap. Is it dishwasher? Yeah, because I believe like the economy is very tight to do that.
Later.
So it is so late right now. It's almost 12 usiku here. You guys already know I'm graduating in December. I keep repeating this all the time in my vlogs, but please forgive me. It is because that makes me so happy, guys. It makes me so happy. I don't know if you guys, like, if you can just open my heart for you guys to for you to see, I will see how I'm happy about it. So this is what I was thinking. Like, my channel, it has been a long journey, and if you don't believe me, just scroll down my channel and just see the first video they upload. It's still there. I don't delete videos, and just see how long back it was. Like, sometimes I just feel like my blessings take too long to happen. I, I don't know, but anyways, they will still happen. They take too long to happen, but I don't give up. It's like God just wants me to push and trust in him. So I was really looking forward to getting to 5,000 subscribers this year, and I was really looking forward to be monetized this year. So this is what I want to say. I just pray that God, I know God is listening. He's always listening to your prayers. I hope God, when I'm celebrating my graduation, I just want to celebrate monetization, and I just want to celebrate getting to 5,000 subscribers. I want to celebrate all those things together, because my God, like, I've really worked hard for this channel. There's actually a time I decided not to like post. I almost gave up, by the way. I almost deleted this channel. There's a day I told my sister, I will delete that channel because I don't see it going anywhere. But something inside me, there's still a YouTube fire burning inside my heart that tells me, no, don't give up. Keep moving, keep pressing, because this is where you're supposed. Have you felt like something is like telling you this is where you're supposed to be? don't give up. I've never given up on it. And yeah, I don't know, like, that's just what I want. If God can grant me that this year, I don't know, I'll be a completely new girl next year. So guys, I think I'm just gonna like watch the movie that I'm watching currently. I'm watching Hijack. It's a new movie from Apple. That is the movie that I'm watching currently. So guys,